Hello, this is my final project named Footsteps for the CQ final. So uh, the user enters the game and this is my landing page and this is my GitHub repository. You can see the steps to reproduce it. So basically this is a board game where players land and their location is hidden. So the goal, whenever player moves, he gives a hint of his location in the board to other players, and the goal is of a player is to guess another player's location, and if they guess correctly, they are rewarded, and if not, then they are penalized. So there is some health concept, and you have to attack and defend. So this is a 0 to 10 board, so you can enter any location to land and just click on register and so if there are some minor UI problems, but all the contracts and circuits are working fine. So in this week I will work on the UI more to clear out the bugs, but the main functions are working. Yeah. So let's wait for the transaction. Till that, you can see this. So there are three circuits, one for the register and one for the player to move and one for the player to defend. In defend, the player proves his location. Yeah. So if he's attacked, he just proves that the attacker's guess is right or wrong. And so these are the contracts and these are the files. I think I registered. So as I said, there are some minor UI problems. So on the refresh it works. So yeah, I have landed on the spot and some UI problems as I said. So on this you have a health of 100 and it states the zone. So zones are like these vertical columns. So whenever you move, you give to the public that where you are landing. So when I move from here to here, the contract will update to zone 2 using a mapping. So I can move left, right, up and down, or 1 point right, 1 point left, up, down, and so here, what is here? You can see other players' address, their health, and their zone. So from here you can guess. So if other player is in zone 0 and then he moves to zone 1, and I think he is here, I can just copy the address here and mention the guess which I think he is here, and then click on attack. So if my guess is correct, my health will increase, and if not, my health will decrease some points. So basically, that's the game, and has some UI problems as I said, and uh, looking for your feedback, and I can add some props here for players to collect. These can be added in the future. So that's the game basically, and now I can show you the contracts. So this is the contract. This is the constructor for the verifier contracts. This is the register function. We are using some mappings, and yeah, this is the proof checking. And this from here the player moves. We check that he is inputting the correct locations and not cheating in the game. Here you can use the attack player, and one thing is that if you attack someone, the other player can't move till he defends. Yeah, so without defending, he can't move from his location. Yeah, so yeah, that's the contracts. So I'm looking forward to your feedback. Yeah, thank you.